In Python, you can trigger an error on purpose. This is called raising an exception, and it is one of the most important tools for writing reliable code. Instead of waiting for Python to crash on its own, you can raise an exception yourself. You pick the type of error and write a clear message, so whoever calls your code knows exactly what went wrong. We start by defining a function called checkAge that takes one argument, age. Its job is to make sure the value we receive is actually valid. If age is less than 0, we use raise followed by ValueError and a message in quotes. This instantly stops the function and reports the problem instead of quietly returning a bad number. When the age is valid, the function skips the raise line and returns the value as normal. We call it with 25, store the result, and print it. When we run this with 25, Python never hits the raise line, so the function returns 25 and we see it printed on screen. Everything works smoothly. Now we pass -5. Python hits the raise line, stops immediately, and prints a traceback showing the value error and our custom message. The problem is impossible to miss. Without raise, a bad value sneaks through silently and causes confusing bugs later. With raise, the error is loud, specific, and happens right where the bad input arrives. Remember, raise puts you in control of errors. Validate your inputs, pick a meaningful error type, write a clear message, and your code becomes much easier to trust and debug.